So Phatak repertory, the other very fascinating part is that there are very peculiar modalities and very peculiar sensations which are given here. Let me give you some examples. I had an interesting case where the patient would say that oiling the skin ameliorates. So there is a very interesting rubric. Have a look. Oil application of ameliorate. Euphorbium from Euphorbiaceae family. So interesting. There was one patient who would say that very interesting rubric. Have a look. Tickling ameliorate. What you say in Gudgudi. There is sepia. So there are very, very strange, peculiar rubrics in this repertory. This is a repertory for finding the exact peculiar symptoms to catching that. So if you are wanting to learn this so much in depth, which I wish you to do, I invite you to study with us in our new repertory course, for which you get an access for a very long time, 2 years